Hi, in this Swift programming lesson, we're going to check out what mutating does. A mutating function, for example. So what we do is let's create a struct. That's your first challenge. Do that. I want to go ahead. If not, pause it. All right. So there's our struct, really easy. Okay, and just create a variable in there. Okay, I'm just going to create a name one. It could be anything, doesn't matter. All right, and okay, now I want you to create a function that will alter this name. Let's say it appends a new string to it, something like that. Try and do that. Okay, so you'd probably think, okay, I'll just do a function, add to name, or prefix it, whatever you want to do. String to append. There we go. Finish that off. I don't know why the cat's hungry. I've fed him. All right, and then we're going to go name dot append and the string to append. There it is there. I want to see if this works. So let's create our struct. And run this code. All right, so we've got a couple of errors straight up. And luckily it helps us fix it. So mark method mutating to make self mutable. So at the moment, name is immutable, especially when we're trying to change it during the struct. So let's make it mutating. And then it says expected. Oh, okay, so I've got to just initialize it. And we'll run that. Now we're not going to get anything. It's not going to print anything. We might see some things to the right, but we'll wait and see. We've got our struct, can have a look. There's nothing there. And the reason is we're not doing anything. Okay, so we've initialized it. We've fixed the function that is appending to it. Okay, now let's use it. Add to name. Yep, we'll add Jim to it. And we've got to make it a variable. Okay, so we've got to make the struct a variable. That's fine. Let's fix that. So you just press fix. They're the best errors in Swift. You can just hit that and not have to worry about it. We'll check it out. There's nothing there still. So let's print the name, see if it's done anything. It should be name. All right, and it's still nil. Okay. All right, so we have to set the name to and let's put this just before we add to it. Okay, let's have a look. There we go. So my name Jim, and it's appending. So apparently, because the name has no value when we're appending to it from the beginning, it's going to end up nil. All right, and this is this optional chaining here. So it's going to say, oh, it's nil. We're not going to do anything. So, but it's a bit hard to find that error. Why isn't it adding to it? It's because there's nothing there. We've got it set to question mark. Now let's try changing that, and we'll force it. So that means that we'll be able to do that. And I'm going to just do this again and get rid of that and run it again and see what happens. All right, and we're going to get an error because we've tried to force it. All right, and we're unwrapping a nil value, which is the name. Okay, we've tried to, and yeah, there's nothing there. But how's this? You can do this to it, and that'll initialize it. Oops, just one equal is enough. And that will initialize it as well. And that will work. All right. So there's mutating. You don't have to do that in class, but in struct, you do have to add the mutating function to alter properties inside the struct.